What if I told you there is a simple way to reduce the amount of plastic waste produced by one of the biggest contributors to plastic pollution, supermarkets? Stay tuned until the end of this video because we are going to reveal how supermarkets can make significant changes to help save the environment. And don't forget to leave your feedback and comments along the way. Let's start our journey towards a greener future right now. Welcome back to our channel, where sustainability meets innovation. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to all of our hearts, quite literally, the plastic packaging problem. Every year, supermarkets around the world use millions of tons of plastic packaging for everything from food items to household products. The sheer amount of plastic waste generated by these industries is staggering. But what if we told you that this problem can be solved with just a few simple changes in supermarkets? It's not a dream, it's a plan. In today's episode, we're going to explore 7 simple ways supermarkets can tackle this issue head-on. By implementing these strategies, supermarkets can not only reduce their environmental impact, but also become leaders in the movement towards a sustainable future. So let's dive in and discover how we can all make a difference. Scene 1. How supermarkets can reduce plastic packaging. When we think about plastic pollution, images of overflowing landfills and the Great Pacific Garbage Patch may come to mind. Did you know that a significant portion of plastic waste actually comes from packaging? Well, there's a lot of plastic packaging that ends up in landfills, oceans, or gets burned, polluting our planet. But change is possible, and supermarkets can play a huge role in reducing plastic waste. Imagine a world where every time you went grocery shopping, you left with your items neatly packed in reusable bags and containers, where the only packaging used was compostable or recyclable. That's the kind of future we're talking about. So stay tuned, because we are about to reveal 7 game-changing solutions that can make this vision a reality. Scene 2. Encourage reusable bags and containers. Picture yourself strolling through the supermarket, grabbing fresh produce and placing them in your very own reusable bags. What if supermarkets made it even better by offering discounts or rewards for using these bags? By encouraging customers to bring their own bags and containers, supermarkets can significantly reduce the need for single-use plastic. This simple step can have a massive impact. Not only does it decrease plastic waste, but it also promotes a sense of responsibility and ownership among shoppers. In fact, some supermarkets already offer incentives for customers who opt for reusable bags. These initiatives not only benefit the environment, but also encourage shoppers to make sustainable choices. It's a win-win situation. So next time you go to the supermarket, consider bringing your own bags and containers. It might just be the small change the planet needs. Scene 3. Switch to compostable or paper packaging. Imagine walking down the supermarket aisle and seeing your favorite cereals in compostable packaging. Now what if the milk carton you grabbed had no plastic at all? Switching from plastic to paper packaging or compostable alternatives can make a world of difference. Paper packaging, when sourced from sustainable forests, is not only recyclable, but also biodegradable. This means that after its useful life, it can decompose naturally without leaving a harmful legacy behind. Moreover, many fresh produce sections are now offering paper bags as an alternative to plastic ones. This shift is not only reducing plastic waste, but also aligning with consumer preferences for more eco-friendly options. By choosing products with paper or compostable packaging, you're taking a step towards a greener future. And the good news is that supermarkets are increasingly recognizing the importance of providing these options to their customers. Scene 4. Bulk bins and refill stations. Picture this. You are at the supermarket and you see a station where you can fill your own containers with rice, pasta, or nuts. No plastic packaging required. Bulk bins and refill stations are not only a great way to reduce plastic waste, but they also offer customers an opportunity to buy only what they need. Gone are the days of throwing away old or expired packaged foods. With bulk bins, you can buy as little or as much as you like, reducing food waste and saving money. Moreover, these stations are not limited to just dry goods. Many supermarkets now offer refill stations for liquid products such as detergents and hand wash. By encouraging customers to bring their own containers to these stations, supermarkets can significantly reduce the amount of plastic waste generated. So next time you're at the supermarket, explore the bulk section. You might just find that it's not only more sustainable, but also more economical. Scene 5. Reward eco-friendly shoppers. Imagine being rewarded for making eco-friendly choices at the supermarket. Loyalty programs that reward customers for using reusable bags, containers, or choosing products with less packaging can be a game changer. By implementing these programs, supermarkets can incentivize more people to adopt sustainable shopping habits. Picture this. You are at the checkout and the cashier tells you that you have earned points for bringing your own bags and choosing products with minimal packaging. Those points can then be redeemed for discounts or even donations to environmental charities. Such programs not only promote sustainability, but also engage customers in a fun and rewarding way. In fact, many supermarkets already have loyalty programs, but they can be expanded to include eco-friendly options. So next time you're at the supermarket, keep an eye out for loyalty programs that reward your sustainable choices. You might just find that shopping green can be more rewarding than you thought. Scene 6. Partner with sustainable brands. Imagine walking into your local supermarket and seeing a dedicated section for eco-friendly products. By partnering with brands that prioritize sustainability, supermarkets can provide customers with a curated selection of products that align with their values. Imagine a supermarket that has an entire aisle dedicated to sustainable brands. These brands would have products with minimal packaging or use recycled and recyclable materials. The supermarket could even have a special logo or label to identify these products, making it easy for shoppers to make eco-friendly choices. In fact, many brands are already taking steps to reduce their plastic packaging. By collaborating with these brands, supermarkets can provide customers with a wider range of sustainable options. So next time you're at the supermarket, look out for partnerships with sustainable brands. You might just find that eco-friendly options are more accessible and appealing than ever before. Scene 7. Time for action. Reducing plastic packaging in supermarkets isn't just possible, it's essential. Each step, no matter how small, brings us closer to a sustainable future. From reusable bags to compostable packaging, bulk bins, reward programs, and sustainable brands, the solutions are within reach. By working together, we can make a significant impact. Let's support supermarkets that prioritize sustainability and hold others accountable. Remember, every choice we make as consumers matters. So let's continue to push for change, demand transparency, and celebrate progress. Together, we can build a movement that transforms the way supermarkets operate. It's time to take action. Join us in protecting the planet and ensuring a healthier future for all. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Until next time, keep living sustainably.